Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the glow plugs on this VW Caddy van. So this particular model is 2010 and the engine we are dealing with is 1.9 TDI. So the problem with the car is that it's struggling to start early in the morning, or shall I say cold start. So the suspect is the glow plugs. So there are 4 of them on this particular car. So that's what we're going to change, and the location for the glow plugs are just here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull out this rail here, the glow plug rail. Okay, and then we're going to use a number 10 socket to undo individual glow plug, and we're going to replace them with 4 of these Bosch make glow plugs, which we've got from our local shop. So we're just going to crack on with it. Right, so just going to pull the rail out. There we go. So that's the glow plug rail out of the way. So we're just going to rest it on the side here. So the the trick is that whenever you change the glow plug, make sure that you run the engine for at least 15 minutes 20 minutes, so that the engine block is nice and hot. That makes it the glow plugs to come off easily. Okay, so the metal expands, and so we're going to use a 10mm socket to undo the individual glow plug. So you just undo it gently. There we go. That's number 1 glow plug. So we're going to take all of these first, and then we're going to change it with the new ones. There we go. That's number 2. So we're going to undo the number 3 one. There we go. That's the 3rd one out of the way, and here is the 4th one. So we're gonna remove. There we go. There we go. So that's the 4th glow plug taken off. There we go. So that's the new glow plugs. We're gonna fit them one by one. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive it in by hand to start off it, and I'm gonna tighten it with the ratchet. Second one. The 3rd one. Just gonna give it a couple of turns, and then we're gonna drive it in, as I mentioned before. We're gonna drive it in with the ratchet. And the 4th one. There we go. They're all nicely in, so we're just gonna tighten them one by one. There we go. That's nice and tight. So that's the number 1 glow plug nicely tightened. So just gonna do the number 2. There we go, that's the number 2 nicely secured. So the number 3. Just gonna torque it up a bit. That's nice and tight. And the 4th one. There we go, friends. That's the 4th one, nice and tight, nicely secured. So what we're gonna do now, before we push in the glow plug rail back into the glow plugs, we're gonna spray some WD-40 and we're gonna clean these connectors inside here. Friends, so we're gonna spray a little bit WD-40 on each connector. That's good enough. So just gonna leave it for a while so that the oil can penetrate into the channel. So just gonna shake it a bit. That's good enough. So now we're gonna push the glow plug rail back in. It's gonna line it up nicely. There we go. One. There we go, friends. We have replaced the glow plug on this VW Caddy van. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna crank it up to see whether it starts without any difficulties. So we're just gonna crank it up. Right, there we go. It did start nicely without any hesitation. So I hope this video is going to help you with replacing your glow plugs on your car. Thank you very much for watching the video.